I'm going to be explaining to you how I will be growing a $10 account into $100 in 1 week. So I'm going out for my morning exercise. You can see I'm going out for my morning exercise. So today I'm going to be documenting every single thing. So guys, please stay tuned. So guys, I'm jogging to shop right now, and I think it's more than 10 kilometers. More than 10 kilometers. So we are currently at ShopRite right now, but I'm taking it far. We are going more far. We are going more extreme. So see you guys. Oh, well, by the way, I'm sweating. See you guys later. So guys, I told you Lagos don't sleep. Lagos don't sleep. People are still outside by this time. You can look at my back. People are still outside. The club is still going on. Lagos don't sleep at all. So if depending on the type of Lagos, especially this thing, especially Ikeja, you get, you can hear some loud music. Lagos don't sleep at all. Turning a $10 into $100 in a week, but there is also something I want to show you guys. I said we are going to be actually doing this thing in a week, but we actually do this thing in a day and a half. $10 to $100 in a day and a half. So guys, let me show you something. So let me show you my screen. So this is the chart of let me refresh this. 30 minutes. Okay. So this was yesterday charts. TP hit here and TP hit here again. But this TP hit was the first trade I took on FBS. I actually so I was trying to use FBS. I used FBS and I used XNES. So I'll be showing you every single thing. I use FBS and I use XNES, and I deposit the same amount of money on the account. So this one was FBS and it hit TP this morning by 3 o'clock. You can see it here by 3 o'clock it hit TP this morning. And XNES, I think XNES, I actually closed my trade. Halfway because I don't want to sleep, wake up and see that I lost the challenge. So let me go to my XNES account and show you guys. XNES. It's actually crazy. And now as so far and now as the market is volatile, to be honest, I think it is now easy to make $100 every single day. It is now easy to make $100 every single day. So transactional history, my transaction history. I have a trade currently run right here. So I not withdraw deposit. So I deposit 20,000 naira, which is equivalent to 45 dollars or something. And I was able to withdraw 39. Okay, this is a successful one. $39.56, which should be around 60 something k. 60 something k. So this is, I think, in naira it is 300%. From 20k to 60 something k naira is 300%. So today, which is the next day, which is on Tuesday, I'm depositing another 95. So by the grace of God, I'm flipping it again. So I want to be doing $100 every single day. So these are my withdrawals and these are my deposits for May 5th. I deposit that day and I withdraw that day. Trading this is better than profit. To be honest, trading your own personal money is better than profit. Imagine 0.01 giving you $100 just in a day. 0.01. Remember, 0.01 of before is different from 0.01 of now. It's actually crazy. It's actually crazy. So guys, I'll be documenting the process, showing you guys every single thing step by step. I want everybody to know. Come on, go to my community. When you go to my channel, go to the community tab, click on the community, and you will see I frequently upload all my links, frequently upload every single thing. Just go to my community and watch it out. I'm documenting all my process with video, and I'm documenting every single thing with posts and text and whatnot. So guys, I love you guys. Peace out.